you want to start the vlog off for me? Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. Aiden is here. He's hiding because he hates being on camera. But we went to the glitter party last night. It was actually really fun and we had a good time. Yeah, we just had a really good night. We got back about 3 o'clock, had some pizza, went to sleep. And now we've just got ready. Aiden's currently mid-brushing his teeth. And we're just about to go downstairs and meet Megan and Hattie. Are you alright? We're going downstairs to Megan and Hattie and we're all walking to the uni because it's our last chance to enrol, and if not then we won't be on our courses this year, so yeah, we need to go to the uni ASAP to get make sure we're all enrolled again, and then I'm not really sure if they've got anything to do, so we'll be in town for a bit, which will be nice. And I'm wearing this lovely green jumper. Again, it'll be in the haul very soon. I still need to film that at some point. Now I've got everything that I wanted. You?
I'm jalapeno business.
Music.
What'd you call it?
From that.
What'd you call a nosy pepper?
What?
A jalapeno business.
Did you just make that up? Yeah. I'm keeping that in. Oh, green! Woohoo! Me and Hat are matching in green. We just enrolled finally. At least literally she just scanned her card. I wish we could have done it online. Because Aiden was saying that he just had an online system at his uni. But anyway, we're just, yeah, look, he's sick. He's a lot. He's well good. Oh, some guy's doing like, I know, he's well good. I was watching the other day. He's doing his little tap taps. And we're going to the post office to post Hat's shoes because she didn't quite like them.
Yeah, well,
they were nice, but yeah,
I didn't love them enough.
It didn't look the same as online, to be fair.
You have to pay for returns.
Yeah. And then where are we going?
Base camp.
Woo! Base camp's our favourite. I think it's my favourite, you know.
I've only been there once, but it's my favourite.
It is my favourite.
I'm going to get the same thing I got last time because it's so good.
Yeah, smoothie bowl.
But I know I'll recognise it when it's...
Yeah, I need a smoothie bowl after eating like shit and stuff, so... God. So that is my biggest pet peeve. I say it all the time. It's whenever I'm vlogging. Yeah, like people just stopping in the middle of a pathway. It fucking pisses me off. This lemon cake, and it's got lots of glitter on top, and it's actually vegan as well, so if you're in Lincoln and you're vegan, Base Camp is the right place to go. Megan's got a nice latte, Hatman's got like a cola drink, and Aiden's got a nice latte as well. What is it?
It tastes exactly like cola. It tastes like melted cola bottles, that's wow.
Back to this. New Super Mario Bros.
Right, stop carrying me. I just get scared because I'm just going to die straight away. I'll carry you.
Oh yeah, wait, my ice balls are one. I want to ice the shit out of it. Yay. Okay, right.
Stop throwing me!
Ready? Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, the timer!
Oh yes, yes, right, let's go.
What? No! Wait, no!
Click A.
Charlotte's invincible. You killed me! Charlotte killed me! I lost my flower power! Yeah, stay still!
I want it to life!
No, fuck off! Oh! Stop!
No!
Click A if you're going to die.
You did.
No! That's totally... I didn't do anything! Yeah, yes! We got the pink one! Hurry up, we got the pink one! Yeah, look, Aiden, how did you do that?
Whenever it's shake. Oh god.
Hold 2.
Oh, hold down 2.
Woohoo!
I knew he could. Charlie danced around the hole.
Yeah, I always died. I had a near-death experience.
Oh,
it's Bowser! Wait, so
What?
we'll get up there then?
Oh my god, we have to fight Bowser instead. I've got no powers.
Right, let's go.
Oh!
Yes!
Yay!
Oh, the little bouncy mushroom one's so fun! Right, so, it's now, what's the time? Oh. Do you know what the time is? I can't believe it's 10:30. We were playing on the Wii for ages earlier, and then we all made dinner, and I edited my vlog, and now we're gonna go play on the Wii again, because we need to complete all 8 worlds on Super Mario Bros. We've been playing Super Mario Bros. on Wii Party. Oh, Hat's here.
Hello.
I thought you were upstairs as well.
How is it
10:30?
bring my High School Musical DVDs?
I don't know.
No.
What did you say?
No, we're not down here.
Oh,
Okay. We'll have to get someone to bring
I have
them.
all 3, and 2 and 3 are extended edition.
Fuck.
Oh, what? So,
Yeah.
yes.
Apple,
So you've got a laptop to HDMI port?
Megan's does.
So my new one
Yeah,
does.
we're just about to play some more. Because if you haven't watched like my moving in vlogs, the house actually came. They like supplied us with a Wii, like a Nintendo Wii, and a PlayStation 3, which is really cool again. And then we've obviously brought all of our Wii games that we used to have like at home here. And my mum sent them down with Aidan when he's just come. Also thought, I know this is a bit of a random note. I'm going to mention this, a bit of a random note, but he's doing everything. What? Oh, Megan's going to do an unboxing.
No, I was just going to put it in the bathroom.
Okay.
Have you already done it?
No, because I got a completely different one. Do you want to do it?
Okay, so...
Yeah, so Megan and Hattie actually got a Betty box because I got given 2 this month because it was like best friend month or something, which is so cool because they've given me like 2. So then Hattie and Megan.
Which is quite good because me and have our bathroom downstairs, which
Yeah.
obviously uses, but like it's got all our stuff in it.
Yeah.
So we've got some sanitary towels.
Which are like night ones, I think. Like night. Oh yeah, forgot about
Are they
that.
body form night?
Yeah, because I request body form rather than always, and I know you guys prefer body form as well.
More in here in a little bag.
Yeah.
Which is cute.
Which
Do you
is
get one of
good.
these every month, a little bag?
Yeah, which is good for like, because I put one of those in them period things for them girl, to send off.
Yeah.
Because I thought I've got loads of them, and I've like obviously you can put them in different bags.
To have one each if you've got a spare one.
Yeah.
Then a body cleanser, which I'm interested about.
Yeah.
It's just like a wash.
Aloe vera, witch hazel, all of those things sound really good because I've heard of them. Yeah, I've seen like good skincare brands have that ingredient.
These
in.
little bobbles, which are really good. They like don't pull your hair.
You got chocolate? Have you eaten that?
I already.
Yeah, there was like a chocolate bar in there.
A little mini toner, a little tea which I put in the cupboard, and a little highlight
sleep
pencil,
tea.
which I don't know what it's going to be like, but worth a try.
Could be useful for something.
So I'll leave those.
Oh yeah, the little brush cleaner's cute as well.
And then I'll put these in the bed.
Yeah. Anyway, my random note was going to be that we've got half a washing machine.
Oh.
So, like, I don't know if you can really tell on camera. Oh, you can't really. Maybe. Oh yeah, my hand is in it. So like, it's the width of my hand. No, it's the length of my hand, Megan. When I bend my thumb back. How short? There's like no depth.
Normal depth.
Not depth.
Width.
Is it depth? Width. Length, maybe the length, I don't know. But it's just like as if it's half a washing machine, which is kind of weird. Because we got so excited about being able to wash, but I don't know.
But I suppose we can just do as many washes as we want.
True. Very true. Yeah, this is the current situation. We're trying to tidy up a little bit. Oh no.
Right, you're slacking.
Right, we're joking. No, it's fine, huh? We've all got designated jobs now. So what's the designated jobs? Hattie's washing up because she enjoys it. Megan's hoovering.
Sorry, but I'm waiting till after the glitter.
I'm taking like bins out, taking off the like wash, just all the other random jobs that we have to do.
That's a bit of a cop-out.
I did that after we were sick.
No, I didn't know because they'd already Bagsied there too, and I was like, oh, okay, so I've got to do everything else. Do you want to be in the vlog?
I'll take a tough pass on that
Exactly, I need that. That's why I don't get rude because I just put you on the vlog. and expose everything about you. But anyway, this is the cute little setup in here. We've got cutesy blankets and we're just gonna play the Wii. Oh my god, look at the coffee table. It's got so much shit on. Wait, let me just do a little, do a little pan.
No, go underneath. There's 2 pairs of shoes and they're both yours.
Oh, yeah, from Nights Out. We've got Disney trivia, some Wii remotes, random glasses, water, tissues, batteries, some random books, a bit of half a matchmakers, some eyelashes. Wait, I found where my eyelashes are. Okay, so I'm just about to do my skincare and then I'm gonna get into bed with Aiden. We've just been playing on the Wii again because we finally set it up today and started playing on it quite a bit. But yeah, I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow, so make sure you hit the thumbs up and you'll subscribe down below to watch my future uni vlogs. I hope you've been enjoying them so far, and yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye.